Okay, TempleOS 5-minute random code walkthrough, episode 27, and I'm your host, Terry Davis. And today we are in Model Gen. Okay, so what we're looking at is this generates sprite models. Let's say you want to do a ball that's 10 pixels radius, and it has let's say about six faces, and anyway 8, and we want it blue. Let's do another one. Let's say 20 and 16, 18 in green. Okay, so one thing Model Gen does is balls, and the other thing is men, and that's what we're looking at. This will make a man. We enter the dimensions of his arms and legs and head, and then we enter the angles of his joints, and then we enter the color of his skin and shoes. So so this is what we're looking at. So what is this? This is a sprite. So what a sprite is made up of, it's a sprite with a mesh element, and if we edit the mesh, or let's look at the text. Edit as text. So a mesh consists of vertices, and then it consists of triangles, and the triangles specify 3 vertices and a color. Okay, so that's what we're doing. So this makes a man sprite. This is add box. So the men are made up of boxes. There's a box for the arm, box for the leg, and the boxes are made up of triangles. There's 2 for each rectangle. There's 2 triangles. You'll notice here we do 1A, 2A, 1B, 2B, 1B, 2A. Anyway, so first of all, we make vertices. Now, what is my data structure here? I don't remember. Add triangle. MD is a man-defined structure. Okay. C. What is C? C was passed in. Color. That's color. And so when we make a box, we define. When we make a box, we have a man structure. We have color. The one vertex XYZ, width, height, depth. Height 2, height 3. I'm not sure I remember what that is. Anyway, so the man-defined structure must have links for. Let's go to the top. Here's a man-defined structure, has this. So a man-defined structure has all the. I don't see any links. Normally I dynamically allocate everything. Oh, it looks like I put it into an array. Triangles. Surely I pass in the man structure. There's a man-defined structure. Is the man structure a global variable? Yes, as a matter of fact, it is. This is a little tiny module with, so global variables are okay. All this module does is one thing, and that's make a man. No, actually, I put making a ball and making a man together. Anyway, so let's look at what this add triangle does. So add triangle accesses the global variable and increments the triangle count. Then it fills in the array with the points in the color. So when we're all done making all those triangles, we make the sprite. And to make the sprite, man to sprite, okay, we have to allocate vertices. We have to allocate for the triangles. And then looks like we just copy from the temporary array. Now we're lucky because a man is a fixed number of triangles and we never exceed 1024. So this is just kind of a simple maybe I should add more models, maybe a car, an airplane, I don't know. It's pretty there is a in the Control R menu, you can make a mesh directly by making vertices and then making triangles. Let's do the color red. Make triangle. You have to, so there is an editor for making meshes. Anyway, but making a man is a little bit tedious. That editor is kind of, maybe I should put the models in the editor as an option. Anyway, as it stands, the models are free. It's a separate module, the model generator for man or ball. Anyway, so this, how about that?